Alright guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So right now in this video, this is EURBGP. This is 4 hours time frame. Now we all know that yes, GBP for a very long time it has been on an uptrend, but for now this is the sell retracement. See, buying trend, this is the sell retracement. So I'm waiting for price to get to this area then before we buy. But for now, we need to sell for now. Let's leave the buys. So now I want to explain my concept and my setup on how I caught this move. Now if you look at what EURBGP has been doing, it has been selling, which is the retracement. Now what we have to do, normally as a smart UT trader, the next thing that you have to do, you have to mark out your break of structures and mark out your other blocks. That's what you have to do. They spot your inducement areas and your liquidity areas, because these people, they are not playing. They need a lot of liquidity to move this market, and your money in the market is their liquidity as a retail trader. So you need to be smart and you need to learn to think like them, or else. So it is what it is. Even if anything still happen, your risk management will still save you. Yes, it does not matter, but it's just trading. It's of two ways: either you profit or you lose. So now, after this break of structure, you need to mark out your 4 hours order block, because that's what I work with. I'm a swing trader. Work out your 4 hours order block. The once price gets to your 4 hours order block, that's where you can take your entry. And this is more like the inducement. This is an inducement. It's like a trap telling you that okay, yes, the retracement has started after the break of structure, but no, it's like a deceive that sellers have come into the market. They want to start moving. But no, so the big banks, they will have to come and take out their stop losses on top here and trigger this order around this 4 hours order block there before it runs. But now see the manipulation they did also. When price triggered this 4 hours order block, price came down, also took like a break of structure from here. A break also occurred here. This is 4 hours time frame, 4 hours. Now there was a pullback. Now this price, this pulling back, it was more like they need a lot of liquidity before they can move this market. So they will have to take out those stop loss on top these highs. That's what happened here. So these are liquidity, because these are highs. So every highs and every lows are called liquidity zones or liquidity points. So you just came, grab the stop loss, then before they run off. So you see. Now, so this was where I caught the price, and I'm currently on this trade. I'm making money already. Now remember, after this your break of structure, you have to expect a pullback down to the origin that caused the break of structure before the continuation. Now if you see, this is your 4 hours order block. I was supposed to use this 4 hours order block, but I used this one around here. So that was why my entry was here. So I used this one around here. So that was why my entry was around here. So I used that 4 hours order block, but I was supposed to use this one. Now see what price did. These people, they manipulate so well. You have to play safe and you have to play smart in this market, because this place is not your father's land. So you need to come here, do what you have to do, collect your share and get out. As they are thinking smart, you need to think smart like them, or else. Now see what price did. On top this area, this place is a liquidity. Now after this pullback, price respected this first 4 hours order block, but it came back, collected this stop loss on top here first, collected this once on top here, and respected this 2 hours order block here. Also this 4 hours order block here again. Price collected it. Now it came down, it was on profit. All this noise, it was even on profit. Price came again, collected another stop loss again on top here. You see the big banks, but me, I just put my stop loss on top this high. I was like, okay, because I know price is not going to get to this place, because here is outside of the other block. So this is where you are safe. So I already know these things. I understand how they behave to some extent. So this was where I just put my stop loss and I'm waiting. I said, okay, no problem. Let me leave the trade. I let it run. So don't allow these things to scare you. That's why it's called trading, because normally trading is not easy. You are fighting against millions and billions of people in this market in a day. So you have to kill your emotions and work with them. So and that was how he collected that stop loss and zoom. Now I'm currently in big profit, huge profit. So it is very, very easy. Learn to know when the manipulators, the big banks, investors. Learn to know when they are coming into the market to take out your stop losses, to take out your liquidities. Manage your risk. Trading is more like a job. Learn these things, they will help you. Learn these things, take it very seriously. I bet you, in forex trading, once you take these things very, very seriously, you have settled like 90% of your challenges in forex. I'm telling you this is from experience. I've been in this game for 5 years, 4 years experience, 4 years consistent. I'm not joking. So master your strategy, stick to your plan and work with it. Now, as a smart witty trader, learn to work with your break of structure, change of character, fair value gaps, order blocks. Spot out your inducement. Inducement is one of the big confirmation that you need. The liquidity, spot out these areas. Know when to calculate your risk. You are good to go in forex. So I don't want to say much. So if you find this video very, very helpful, just do it to like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know what time it is. So see you guys in our next video, guys. Cheers, guys.